Hazrat Abdullah and Salim report that Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu said, "We set out in the company of the Prophet ﷺ to perform the Umrah, but the infidels of the Quraysh debarred us from Allah's house. So Allah's Apostle ﷺ sacrificed his sacrificial animal and got his head shaved." Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, "Compensation is necessary for him who nullified his Hajj on account of sexual pleasure intercourse, and whoso is detained on account of any excuse should take off the ihram and should not return, and if he has a sacrificial animal and has been detained, he should sacrifice it, provided he cannot send it, and if he can send it, he should not take off the ihram until the sacrificial animal reaches its destination." Imam Malik and others said, one should slaughter the sacrificial animal and get his head shaved wherever he wishes. There is no compensation enjoined on him, for the Prophet ﷺ and his companions sacrificed, got the heads shaved, and everything became lawful for them. They took off the ihram before making the circuit and arrival of the sacrificial animal at its destination. Then they neither mentioned that the Prophet ﷺ commanded for any compensation, nor they came again for it. And Hudaybiyah is out of Haram, sanctuary. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1812.